strategy, what as the ideas I used to follow at my beginnings to improve my English. The same and genuine experience I'm going to reveal here. But before, I would like to tell you the one application. Hey everyone, good morning to all of you. Today I'm really excited to reveal the one application. But before, I would like to introduce myself. So this is Chandan here. I live in Bihar state. Professionally, I'm a primary teacher. If I talk about my hobbies, I love to talk to new people in English, and as well as I love to travel different places just for having new experience in life. So yeah, that's all about me. Today I'm going to discuss about the one applications that had changed my entire way of speaking. Really, the one application at beginning I used to do a lot, because in that situation I was not having an environment for practicing my spoken English. In that situation, during discovering the new a strategy and some kinds of ways, I got to know the one application, and that application was quite amazing. And today I'm really excited to share the name of that application with all of you, so that you can also get an environment where you can practice your spoken English like me, and you can improve your English like me as well. Because that application was quite amazing, that's why I'm really excited to announce that application name today. But before, I would like to tell you my different strategies and ideas and ways of improving my communication skill. In this time, friends, learning English, it's a very mandatory for each individuals, right? In this era, I would say, especially I would say, because where you go, any place you go, where the people will ask you about your qualification, and you are being judged by this language. This is the obvious things you know very well about, right? In this time, I would say the people are spending much money on learning this language, even though they are unable to create even single sentence with the convenience. Why? Because they do not have the right strategies, they do not follow the right way. That's the reason they are unable to speak even single sentence with the convenience, right? Today I'm going to talk about the importance of this language. Okay, why it is very important to learn. See, learning this language will open up multiple opportunity for you in coming time, I would say. Firstly, you will be maintain your image image, I would say, your standard, I would say, in your localities. You will get equal respect from each individuals, right? As well as if you are preparing any competitive exams, in that situation this language will help you to crack your interview, and you will be succeed, you will get the good post in your life. Especially this language is demanded by many companies, IT field, and multiple companies are there. So where, if you really want to apply any job, so where you have to interview, right, you have to give your interview in this language, and you will be being judged by this language. So this is very imperative for you now to learn this language. This language will help you to deal with foreigner client or as well. If you are like if you are if you are working any multinational companies, there this language will help you to deal with your customers, your client. This will help you to becoming entrepreneur, entrepreneur. If you really want to be entrepreneur, if you really want to learn the digital marketing, in that situation also this language will help you out. So that's why it's quite imperative language to all of you to learn as soon as possible. In that situation, I'll tell you how to learn it, what is strategy, what as the ideas I used to follow at my beginnings to improve my English. The same and genuine experience I'm going to reveal here. But before, I would like to tell you the one application which I promised to you. Now I'm going to announce that application. The application name is OpenTalk. OpenTalk, it's a quite amazing and convenient application where you can connect with across the cities people, I would say, where you can get similarity. You can get equal person like you who are coming with the right attention, I mean the same intention, right, to learn, to improve their English like you. You get, the great environment where you can't get any useless person. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going to reveal this application, OpenTalk. OpenTalk, this application are quite amazing. This will provide you free at cost entire conversation and unlimited time. You can spend time over this light application. You can get connected with any personalities. There's no need of paying money over there, right? And you can make a fun, you can enjoy this conversation as much as you can utilize your time on learning English, and these applications are quite sufficient for you to give the better environment as per your expectation, I would say. So I would suggest you, just today you have to install this application at your phone and start using today, because I'm really sure like you are quite passionate for improving your language, commanding, commanding over this language as soon as possible, right? And especially I know the reality in this, in this our India, I would say that 99% people have been suffering because of not having the convenient, the perfect, environment of learning English, right? Mostly the people are managing their day-to-day life through their native language. They do not consider this is a very important for their life, and they may open up multiple doors in the coming time, right? So I know these kinds of the mentality the people have. That's why. But in this time, I would say people are going to aware, right? People are going to aware about the importance of learning this language. In that situation, if you search on, if you go on YouTube and social media, you will find multiple people are erasing self in in this language, I would say. I mean, many housewife and many married couples, many people who are in the age of, I think, 50, 60, 17, and instead of they are learning this language. So just think about why they are giving the importance of this language, because this is a really very important language for all of them. So I also consider this is a very important, and that's why I'm working on it. So I'm suggesting you this, application. You must improve, you must, install this application and improve your communication. Yeah, I know initially you will do some mistakes. It's okay, it's acceptable. No one will judge you. No one have, that much time to focus on you. Okay, so do not afraid of making mistakes. It's okay. Whenever we start learning anything, we have to do a lot of mistake, then only we can learn it, otherwise we can't improve it, right? So this is very important to all of you. Making mistake, it's okay, but never give up. You have to maintain consistency. If you really want to create an environment for you, you have to install this application as soon as possible, like me. You can see the improvement in me. I'm able to speak well because of that application. That's why today I consider I should announce this application to all of you, so that you can improve your languages by these applications, I would say. So that's why I recommended you this application. Okay, and becoming fluent, I would say this application will help you to create an environment, right, for you. But apart from, I would say, the few suggestions I would like to tell you here, try to inculcate habit of listening. Listening is a very very important to, get better understanding about the sentence, right? Sentence formations, context, all of things are very 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 imperative to all of you, right? Understanding, mostly the people are able to speak a few sentences, but when time comes to understanding the things, so they are not able to understand, because understanding, it's very important to create the relevant statement accordingly, right? So that's why you have to inculcate habit of listening a lot, and then only you can create relevant answers. It would be the impactful conversation if you do with any client, with any persons, and this will help you to sustain your expression as well. In your locality, people are admiring you. Yeah, you are really well educated, because in this time, I would say, people are being judged because of their talking, their way of talking, right? If you are good enough in this language, so you are being respected equally from every citizens in your locality and everywhere, you can say. So hope this video will help you to achieve your goal and get better fluency in your speaking. Thank you so much.